A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now.
Take a moment to come into stillness. Allow yourself to simply be, without any goal or outcome in mind. Begin by taking a few deep breaths and settling into your body. Notice any sounds around you. Notice the sensations that are present in your physical form as you draw each inhale and exhale. Allow yourself to release any stress, tension, or anxiety you're feeling, letting it go with each breath. As you become more relaxed with each breath, begin to open up to the possibility of newness entering your life, allowing for something fresh and undiscovered. Visualize yourself surrounded by a golden light that is radiating warmth and comfort all around you. Notice the energy of this light, creating an atmosphere of trust within you. Feel the softness and stillness as it washes over your body from head to toe. Breathe in and out. Allow yourself to be inspired by this new energy that has come into your life. Notice how it lights up dormant parts of your being and gives them permission to live fully and freely. Visualize a door opening up, inviting in something fresh and exciting to explore. Take one more deep breath before gently coming back into the present moment. Take some time to sit with the feelings that arose during this meditation before gradually opening your eyes when you feel ready. Take a moment to thank yourself for allowing in this sense of newness and openness today. Allow space for transformation within your life. Breathe in and out. You can now bring this feeling of newness with you into the rest of your day, allowing yourself to explore and discover and be inspired.